it's Rachel from Glambytes, and today I am so excited to share with you some fun back-to-school snack ideas, all found at my local ShopRite. With the boys starting school soon, I recently did a huge back-to-school snack haul because like most kids, my boys are big snackers. ShopRite was always my parents' go-to to shop at when I was a kid, so it's so fun for me to get to shop there now for my own children. Now, I always like to pick up some snacks that are individually packaged. This way, I can easily pack them for school if I want, or if we have somewhere to run, they can take them in the car with them, or even most days, we just like to head outside to play after school. This way, they can grab it and bring it out with them. That is why I love Wholesome Pantry Organic Energy Mix. It's a delicious combination of seeds, nuts, apples, raisins, cranberries, and is so yummy. These bowl and basket cheese snacks are another great option. They have pepper jack cheese, raisins, and honey nut roasted peanuts. Both of these are not only easy to pack, but they are perfect to grab on the go. They are also a delicious combination of sweet and salty. If you're not familiar, bowl and basket foods are thoughtfully crafted and made with delicious ingredients. We especially love their sweet treats. You can find them available at your local ShopRite. Now, besides looking for snacks that are portable, I also try to buy snacks that have a good amount of protein in them, which is why I love Bowl and Basket mozzarella string cheese. Now, we also love hummus in this house, so besides buying these regular containers, I also like to buy these individual snack cups. The individual containers make them great for both home and school. We love to enjoy them with some baby carrots or even just chips. With my youngest starting kindergarten, this is gonna be the first time ever that I have both boys in school all day. I need to make sure they are eating enough so they have the energy to get through their day. I also wanna make sure I'm packing them snacks that are both healthy and that they enjoy eating. Now, I think most kids love chips and crackers, so you know I always stay stocked up on these. My younger son especially loves these veggie straws. My boys also love beef jerky, which is a great snack idea if you're looking for something savory. Sometimes I will even put together a little snack tray like this to serve them after school so they can have a little bit of everything. And if you want something sweet, these dark chocolate sea salt mini grands are amazing. And last but certainly not least, these apple pouches are a #1 must-have in my home. I try to stay stocked up on snacks since they not only bring one to school every day, but they're also starving when they walk in the door after a long day at school. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these back-to-school snack ideas. And be sure to tune into my next video where I'm gonna share some back-to-school, after-school snack recipes that are super easy and delicious. And don't forget, you can get everything you need for back-to-school and more at your local ShopRite. See you next time.